So Kimi cannot directly generate out graphics, but you can actually generate scalable vector graphics code, which allows you to create graphics as needed as well, that is vector graphics. So to do that, you need to go ahead and say generate a SVG code of a landscape with 4 buildings right here, a sun, clouds, and road right here, just like this. So if you were to actually go ahead and then send this, I said generate a SVG code right here, then what happens is that it'll generate out an a XML document, as you can see right here, and it is writing out the rectangular. For road, for sun, there's a circle. For clouds, there are some ellipses. For buildings, there's some rectangles, as you can see right here, just like this. So it created a simple graphics, and you cannot directly run it. But if you want to run it, you can simply copy this out right here, and then you can open up an application like Notepad or any other text editor, and then go ahead and save this out. So let me just go ahead and save this on my desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and save this out as graphics sample sample.html. Note that I'm selecting all files in the file type right here, just like this, and I'm going to hit on save and close this graphics. And then this is what you have right here. Let me just go ahead and open it, and you can see that this is what you have. There's the sun, clouds, and there's this buildings right here. So note that I saved this in HTML. You can also go ahead and save it out in SVG format, as you can see right here, just like this. And once you do that, it actually comes up in this format, which you can also open up in browser, as you can see right here. So now with these type of graphics, you can also go ahead and open it up with applications like Illustrator. And then you can see that it simply opens it up with Illustrator, and you can simply go ahead and make changes to it right here, resize it, and you can see that these all are editable shapes right here, just like this. So this is how you can generate SVG graphics using Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe